work over here, man. I like the shape of this table.
Alright guys, I'm ready to go rub some stain on my shaker table. Going with the Odies. I'm set up here to do my glue ups on my boxes for my tool chest. I'll show you what I got going on over here. It's been a while since I've worked on this thing. My tool chest is the top drawer here. I got a bunch of sawdust in there because I routed out the back. Where I left them too long, I took a router and I just zipped it down so that it would be hidden when I put fish slap over it all. Let's get these drawers glued up. So what I had happening, the sap in my pine from my drawers froze, and I haven't glued these yet, but they're stuck. They ripped right out, and that's been happening. So I'm just gonna glue these back in like I've been doing. I got it. Bye. Zach's leaving for the day, but yeah, so that's what I'm fussing about over here is my corners keep tearing out, everything keeps tearing out because my wood's frozen. A little bit cold in the containers we keep our projects outside. go get a festool and start sanding our box.
No phone, no technology, nothing.
If you don't have it, you don't know what it is. You're not missing anything.
The minute I left that door, I was on my own.
His parents gave him a revolver with one bullet.
They're like, if you don't make it to school, just use this. Wait, you walked 7 miles uphill.
Uphill, of course.
Both ways.
No way.
You guys are that old, huh?
That's
Yes.
the thing. There is no way to walk both
There
ways.
were no cell phones then.
Oh, I remember no cell phones.
You guys make things up though.
But we went to the moon.
No,
We went to the moon in the 1960s though, did you know that?
in New York?
The snow used to be up to here.
When we went to the moon, were you a kid?
Yes. I was.
Did you see it on TV?
Yes.
And you believed it?
Yes.
Gullible.
I know, right?
What'd you do, Rami? That's good.
That like flat hit.
Yeah, I was gonna say the so now don't we cut it? No. Oh, that has to dress now?
Looking very nice, Joe. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Is this on the right way? I hope this will be.
Alright, I think I'm gonna go home for the weekend. I feel like maybe I should sing the Mr. Rogers Neighborhood song as I'm walking out the door. That's just because I have to put my coat on though. Yeah. Change out of my shoes, or my boots into my shoes, my driving shoes. I'll make a snappy new day. Such a good feeling, the feeling you know. When I'm going home from Sam Buford Woodworking Institute, where all of your dreams come true, and I'll make something out of wood for you. Hopefully it won't look like poo, because it's you I like. Thanks for watching Edward Grable Studios. I'll see you again next week. Have a good weekend, Mondo. Yes, let's say goodbye to everyone on the way out. Have a good weekend, Noah. You as well. I might as well use the potty before I go. I'm gonna pause this real quick. What are you doing? Stop watching, weirdos. Let's try this once again. Have a great weekend. Trying this once again after I've used the restroom. Have a great weekend. Yeah. All right, Sam Buford. Thank you again for another extraordinary week. Made a shaker table this week. Now I'm driving home. Who knows when you'll get to see that shaker table footage, because I'm still editing box footage. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless.
Excellent!
After these messages, we'll be right back.
All right, Charlie. Neighborhood of make-believe.